Everyone out there on YouTube. So it is August, uh, goodness, 27th. Can't think apparently this morning. Yesterday, my husband and I dispatched the rest of the ducks. So there's no more ducks anymore. The chickens are now in their run. There's Ronnie, and they're all waiting for food because I didn't feed them yesterday because I overfed them kind of the night before. And they're gonna stay in their run because our grass needs to recover because they've kind of participated in, as well as Xavier not allowing the water to get to here. But some of this damage over here where it's really, really short and the grass is dying because there's dirt covering it, that's all the chicken's doing. It's my son. There's Xavier. Hi! Hi! Everybody here at home is sick with a cold bug that our daughter brought home. Yay. And now I need to set you guys up for a moment so I can switch out this from this to the normal. Why are you hitting me? Why are you hitting me? Hitting's not okay. Not even for getting attention. Excuse me. Your sister needs to get better at that too. Doodaloo. Kitty is off doing his own thing. What in the world just bloody happened? Well, that's not good. That was unexpected, and now I don't know where. So this has a ball bearing, and I don't know where that just went. I felt it hit my toe, and I have no idea where it just went. Let's see if I can find it. I do not see it anywhere. Oh, my husband's not really happy. Great. I do not see it. Not anywhere. And it's a shiny, like, tiny little ball bearing. So, I don't see it anywhere. Yay. Yay. Great. Isn't that life? You stop looking for something and you find it. You guys don't fit down here anymore. On the shelf. Let's put you over here. Yeah. Ball bearing. Now I get the annoying pleasure of trying to get this out. And then figuring out how this goes back in. And hoping that there isn't more than one missing now. Which I have a feeling there are. Yeah, I kind of think there's more than one missing out of this thing. Because there's 3 little... I think you should probably just replace this. But that's just me. I'm not sure what he's trying to do exactly. But I do want this. Yeah, after cleaning up from... I had an appointment yesterday. We got all 6 birds done that were left. I still have 3 chickens and a rooster I aim to get rid of because I don't like the rooster and his behavior. I've had him for a little over a year now, and he has done the most damage to my hens. Some of them look like buzzards. My poor Goldie, she had beautiful feathers, and he's destroyed them by pulling them out and breaking them off. He's raped my hens instead of dancing for my hens. So I'm not very happy with him. He's not exactly a good rooster. So I'm kind of done with him. Now, but on the plus side, one of the things that has recently happened is that we have 3 little chicks. We were going to have 4, and then one of them didn't make it. He just didn't hatch, or it just didn't hatch. And my son thinks that he's going to come into the garden with me because he wants to occupy himself by chasing my hens, which I don't like. No. See, I have to... Oops. I have to lock this now. No. No, hey. Now we have 3 adorable little chicks. The goldish one is the biggest. The little one that's struggling up the hill a little bit I had kept inside for a little bit because it had it seemed like a little bit of an umbilical tear around where the umbilical does connect. It looks like they're playing King of the Hill. But I might take the little gray one back inside. Stop that bad behavior. Oh good, it is eating. One's kind of red, one's kind of silver, one's kind of gold. So we'll see what everybody turns out to be when it comes to roosters or chicks and whatnot. But the other one's a little smaller. And I might just pull this one back out and put him in the incubator to get some more strength up. And so it doesn't get bullied anymore. I'm not letting you in. No. Right now, I need to get the a plate for the chickens and feed them. And then I'm going to start back up doing fermented feed overnight, because that's what I was doing for a while. And it seems to really help the hens and whatnot. So let's see where I can set you guys up, the view that I like, and will look good to you guys. Xavier, enough. I really want to clean the hard water stains, all that white stuff that's on that tank off. But I need to use a razor blade to do it. So. Pardon me. Excuse me. Come with me. I know my son is over there trying to get in. Thankfully, I don't have to leave. Xavier, that's not okay behavior. Let's put you guys right here. The rim on this is cracked all the way around. So I'm going to fill this one, and then I'll fill the other one. Okay, let's see. For my chickens, I generally put about 2.5 cups. Let's see, so there's math. Math was 1/4 cup per chicken. So 3 cups should be enough. 1/4 cup, there's 6 chickens. 1, 2 cups, yeah. 3 cups of food should be fine. It's more than enough for the chickens that we have. 3 cups of food is more than enough for all the chickens that we have. Because 1/4 cup per chicken, you guys probably see kind of the, yeah. So 1/4 cup, 1 cup, 6, 1.5. Yeah, this is more than enough for all of my birds. With the ducks and everything here, they ate a lot. Way too much. Okay, little one. I think I will be scraping off hard water mineral deposits. Oh. It is not working right now. One of the nice things that's going on is that without the ducks here and without my chickens all over the backyard, we have less flies. only going to give my chickens a little bit over 2 cups because I don't have 8 birds. I have 6 hens and a rooster. So that only leaves really a necessary cup and 3/4 of a cup. So this is more than enough. And then I'll put this way. It's hard because this is actually fairly heavy. I'm sorry, I heard you. I heard you. I'm sorry, you just fell. Are you okay? Are you okay? Let me see. Do you have an owie? No. Oh, I'm sorry for you. Are you gonna say hi to everybody out there on YouTube? Hi. Hi. You're so cute. You got dirty hands. You got dirty hands. The kid is in control of the camera. There's nobody there but Mom. I'm getting a supreme look, up close look. Okay, let go. I love you too. Hi. Are you gonna control the camera? All right, look, see? My son has the camera now. You're just gonna see everything else. Can I have it back, please? Come on, come on. Give it up to Mom. Mom's gotta film and go and get... Oh, you need a new diaper. Come on, let go. Let go. That's not okay behavior. That's not okay. Your reaction is not okay. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Alright, for now, guys, I'm gonna say goodbye. And we're gonna change somebody's diaper. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Bye for now. I have a remote. And it turned off because it timed out. Come on. Alright. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Bye.